Hi, hello everyone. This is me once again. I hope you all are doing great. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty. Okay, so now I'm at this time walking in the field, and at the same time I'm making this video purpose of learning English. Okay, so this is my main purpose. So I am thinking actually making this video purpose of learning English. Actually, it's necessary for me, and in this time I'm feeling very cold because of this weather is actually cold, so that's why I'm feeling very cold. And as we know, there are six seasons in Bangladesh, summer, rain, autumn, late autumn, winter, and last one is spring. Okay, so now still now running is winter seasons, so that's why I'm feeling very cold. And in this time still now sun is not rising, so that's why its weather is very cold. And my main purpose is learning English, I'm practicing English, so that's why I'm making this video in front of everyone. Okay, so when I get a chance to speak, to practice, so that time I'm practicing English, and I'm practicing English. However, I get any kind of places field and road or market, whatever. Okay, this is how I am practicing English. And in this time, as we can see, there are many kind of field. As we can see, it's actually tobacco field, and this behind me is potato field, and behind me popcorn field. And as we can see over there, it's actually paper field, and there are many lots of crops in this here. uh, and I'm just practicing English, and in this time I'm feeling to speak English, so that's why I'm practicing and I speak English. At least I can speak in English. And as we can know, practice is the most way to speak English. And we know practice is the one of key to remove your shyness that can help you just speak English. Not only English, you can practice any kind of language, and you can speak fluently, whatever you can say, Bangla or English, whatever you can want to speak fluently. Okay, not is can affect to early English. Okay, just you can remove your hesitation, shyness, and you have to just practice more and more. Okay, so I know, strongly believe that I know I gotta learn English by any cost, so that's why I'm practicing this time English. Okay, so actually it's afternoon time, still now sun is not rising, so at the same time I'm practicing English by any cost. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and I really humble request to everyone, just you can pray for me, and in future I want a good public speaker, and you can just pray for me. I want to be a good human being. Okay, so thank you, and thanks for watching this video, and next time see you my new another videos. So till then, take care, bye bye.